Hello friends, today my mom is making spicy brinjal curry. In India this is called masala baingan or Guthi vankaya in Telugu. Let us see the preparation of this spicy brinjal curry. Before starting we have to make this paste using the following ingredients: sesame seeds powder of 4 spoons, green chilli, ginger garlic paste, coriander and mint leaves, coriander and cloves powder, each 1 teaspoon, some salt, red chili powder, haldi or water as required to get this consistency. You can blend all the above ingredients to get this paste, and then we have to clean the brinjal and directly chop them into a flower petal shape as shown here. Then stuff it with the paste which we have already made. So stuffing the brinjal is a technique. Stuff as much as possible. After stuffing the paste into each and every brinjal that we chop into 4 slices, we have to drop them in oil. So before we drop these brinjal into the oil, we have to preheat the oil and add onion and some curry leaves in that. After a while, each and every brinjal is to be chopped into, you can cut into this petal shape, stuff with the mixture which we have already made, and put it in the oil. Stove should be in simmer when we are doing this. It is a slow cooking process. So guys, it is a time taking process to chop each and every brinjal and stuff the paste in it. So there is a trick. So this is the trick. What we are doing here is we are adding all the chopped brinjal pieces into salt water. This salt water helps avoid brinjal turn into bitter taste. If we put the chopped brinjal into salt water, there are chances of turning brinjal into bitterness. To avoid that, make sure you are putting in salt water. So we are not stuffing each and every brinjal because these are a little tiny brinjal. We can't really stuff small brinjal. So we are directly chopping them and adding into the curry. Now we are about to add some salt. Chili powder. Some haldi or turmeric powder. Turmeric, just a pinch is sufficient. So already these ingredients are there in the paste which we have stuffed into the brinjal, but we are adding them again to make a good gravy. You can see the oil under the brinjal. It is a slow cooking process. You have to mix the curry once in a while, slowly, without disrupting or breaking the brinjal. After cooking for 5 minutes, we should be adding some tamarind water. This is how we make tamarind paste. Not exactly paste, tamarind water. So this is how we add a tamarind water that is very concentrated. So this tamarind water works like a gravy maker, or gives you very good consistency after a while. Mix it very well. While mixing, don't break the brinjal. Add some more water if you want more gravy. This is a specially made garam masala. The ingredients in this masala are coriander seed powder, cinnamon and cloves. At the end of curry, we have to add a teaspoon of garam masala, 2 to 3 teaspoons it seems. If you have coriander and mint leaves at your home, you can add them in the gravy. That will give you a very good finishing touch. The gravy is almost ready. After adding that tamarind water, we just have to cook it for 15 minutes until you get this kind of consistency. Add some more water if needed, and at the final, before you stop the cooking process, before 5 minutes, you just have to add some coriander powder. That coriander powder consists of not only coriander seeds powder, that also have cloves and cinnamon in it, which gives you very spicy taste to the gravy. You can have this brinjal curry with some brown rice or white rice or some kind of roti, Indian bread. Actually, this brinjal curry will taste really good with some kind of biryani or fried rice or palavs. You can give it a try. Our lunch is ready. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.